Many people go through university to learn something, but they do another job. But this is the one that you can actually use. I want everybody to pay attention to these classes. It's really gonna help your career. This is actually something that you can actually use after university.
You know, if you're in Vietnam and want to know about business, actually if you're anywhere and want to know about business, you might want to check out Tom Peng. He doesn't fuck around. Yeah, Tom Peng. He's A-okay. Peace.
Okay, hello everybody. My name is Tom Peng. Maybe you see me on YouTube or TikTok. Everybody brought your laptop here today, right? Yes, because we're gonna actually do something practical, something useful. I'm very excited about this because IUH is working with my company Mediastep, and we want to teach the next generation about e-commerce. Can everybody here understand English? Do we need translator? Oh, you still need translator. Okay. So I want to ask some questions first, okay? And anybody here know what Pixel is? Facebook Pixel?
Facebook Pixel của mình là gì?
Tell me if you know. Okay, Google Analytics.
Rồi, Google Analytics là gì? Mạnh dạn giơ tay lên để cho
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you don't know, it's okay. We're gonna teach you. Okay, be patient. We're gonna teach you everything. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask our trainers, our teachers. Why are you in this class?
Vì theo ông thấy thì thương mại điện tử đó là một ngành rất hot ở thời điểm hiện tại, và nó sẽ là một cái ngành trọng điểm của nền kinh tế Việt Nam. Cho nên em muốn học cái ngành này á, ngoài việc giúp mình phát triển bản thân thì em cũng muốn làm một cái điều gì đó to lớn cho cái nền kinh tế của Việt Nam. Cho nên đây là lý do em có mặt tại lớp thương mại điện tử của trường Đại học Công nghiệp.
I think that's a great answer. Anybody remember what happened in the last 2 years? COVID. We all stay at home. If you want to buy food, you want to buy anything, what do? Yeah, we all have to buy stuff online. So we are already e-commerce experts. Before, maybe we never ordered anything in GrabFood, maybe we never ordered anything in Shopee. Now we all know how to do it, right? We're all experts now. The habit is not changing. People are continuing to use online tools to make their lives better. What about businesses? What do you think businesses think about during COVID?
Nhiều sẽ nghĩ là mình rất là khó khăn trong cái thời gian đó.
Yeah, what are they thinking about?
Sẽ nghĩ là hướng tới online nhiều hơn.
That's right. Oh yeah, that's right. They all want to go online. Let me tell you, back in 2019, my company was only about 30 people. Today, we're over 300. We have 7 offices across Vietnam in Ho Chi Minh, Da Nang, Hải Phòng, Cần Thơ, Hanoi. I missed something. Yeah. The reason that happened is because all the businesses now are wondering, how do I get online? How do I digitize my business? How do I go online so I can sell to more customers? So all of a sudden there's a huge demand from businesses. They want to build their e-commerce business, and here we are. I like what you said about making Vietnam a wealthy nation. That's what he said, right? E-commerce is going to be the key, one of the key factors that Vietnam is going to be a very wealthy nation. Export. Vietnam is exporting more and more internationally. Question, how do businesses find international buyers? Let's say you build a product here in Vietnam. Okay, maybe you're in agriculture, maybe you're in food and beverage, and you want to sell your products to North America, to Europe, to Middle East. How are you going to find customers? Anyone? Any entrepreneurs here? How are you going to find customers? You. How are you going to find customers? Okay. How about how to find customers? Don't know. Oh shit. Anybody? Come on, help them out. If you sell a product in Vietnam, you want to export internationally. How do you find customers? You.
Tìm kiếm khách hàng trên online, trên
buyer online.
Ví dụ như những sàn thương mại quốc tế như là Amazon hay là
International e-commerce platform là Alibaba.
Oh yeah, that's right. Today, you find your buyers, your customers online. 30 years ago, you go to trade exhibitions, you go to another country, you find customers, you fly there. But today, everything happens online. Just this year, I think back in April this year, the total export output in Vietnam exceeded Shenzhen port in China. A lot of that is Samsung, a lot of that is LG. But in the future, it's gonna be VinFast. Anybody here has tried a VinFast car before? Drive one or ride in one? Would you like to? Yeah, I have one. It's really good. I love that car. And it's made in Vietnam. I'm really proud of that. Like, actually, we can make a car like that. It goes to show in Vietnam you can make anything. And now, if we know how to export, if we know how to find customers, Vietnam's gonna turn into a wealthy nation like Taiwan, like China, before that, like Japan, like Korea. Everybody's income level rises, everybody's quality of life rises. And you're the generation. This is the generation that's gonna feel that. I'll be dead, but you're but you're gonna reap the benefits of that. What you're doing here right now is so important. What you're doing here right now is going to change the future of Vietnam. Because the reality is that a lot of businesses in Vietnam are still very traditional. We talk to a lot of customers we know. Most customers have no idea how to do e-commerce, but they need help. They need your help. Because right now today, there's not a lot of talent. There's not a lot of people that understand. And if you know how to do it, then you're going to be super helpful to a lot of businesses. You're going to be very useful. You're going to be very valuable. Everybody understand what I say? Yes. You want to be important, valuable, helping people. You like that? Yeah. And maybe make good money while helping people. That's good too, right? No, don't care. They don't care about money. They're students. They love instant noodles. No, you sure? Okay. You know, being able to help people and make money is not great? Yes. Okay, we'll talk more about that. What is e-commerce? Is e-commerce like building a website? It's more, but what is it?
Thương mại điện tử có nghĩa là mình sử dụng internet để mình dựa vào internet để buôn bán, kết nối với các khách hàng cũng như là đối tác của mình và từ đó phát triển kinh doanh.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Why does business do e-commerce? What do they really want? No, yeah, say it. They want sales, they want revenue, they want to make more money, have more customers. So when you are e-commerce experts and people come talk to you, that's what they want. They want more money, they want more sales, they want more revenue, they want more customers. They want customers to come back and buy more. When you can do that, you're like the most important thing to them, right? Makes sense? But how do we drive more sales, revenue, find more customers for businesses? How? Yeah, I'm coming to you. How?
Bằng cách nào đấy? Find more customer for them.
Hả?
Find more customer.
How?
Nhưng mà làm thế nào để tìm kiếm thêm khách hàng?
Quảng cáo hướng dẫn họ lên sàn thương mại điện tử.
To advertising and
Quảng cáo. Maybe Facebook, maybe Google. Any other way? Relationship networking online. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Everybody, when you have a problem, maybe you want to paint your motorbike, but you don't know where to go. What do? Google. Everybody says Google, right? But what if you can help businesses rank on the first page? What if people put in paint motorbike Ho Chi Minh, and then your business is in page 1, top 3? Would that give you more business? So we gotta learn how to do SEO, search engine optimization, because that's gonna help a lot of businesses. Everybody here know SEO? You little choo-choo, little bit? Okay. Okay. That's okay. Mr. Nam will teach you more. How else can we help businesses find more customers and generate more sales? How?
Thực hiện các cuộc khảo sát và
making survey.
khách hàng.
Generate leads for the market.
Okay, generate leads.
rồi bạn nói là sẽ tìm kiếm khảo sát khách hàng.
Maybe run Facebook ads, Google ads, get customers to fill survey, generate lead for the business. That's one way, but that's gonna cost you money. Let's say Tom sells cosmetics, and I come to you and say, hey, IUH students, help me sell cosmetics. Post my product on your fan page. If you make a sale, then we give you a little bit commission. Will that help the business generate more sales? Yes, everybody wins. The university student wins, the business wins. Everybody understand me, right? Yeah. We say that very easy, but to do very hard. You gotta build a website, you gotta collect, university student need to register. We need to track how many sales they make, what commission to pay them. But if you have the right software, it's really easy. If you have the right software, you can teach them how to do it. Very easy. You can do it in like a day. Let's say you sell man bear products, baby powder, toys, whatever they sell there, diapers. Let's say you want your customers to always come back because there's a lot of competition. If they come to your store, buy one time, how can you make sure they always come back? Okay.
Rồi mời bạn.
Dạ là có tạo nhân viên phải tư vấn tốt.
We should have a good customer service, good service for the customer.
Và gì bạn?
And after sale, good after sale service.
Good customer service, good after sale.
Rồi, bạn đó là có một cái dịch vụ chăm sóc khách hàng thật tốt và một cái dịch vụ hậu mãi thật là tốt cho khách hàng.
But what if all your customers do better customer service after sale? Then what? How can you make sure your customers are loyal?
Là gì bạn?
Coming to you. Increase product quality, but your competitor can increase product quality too.
Của mình cũng nâng cao chất lượng.
Yay! Good. How do we make sure customers come back? One more.
Tạo chương trình khuyến mãi thẻ hình như cái điểm để cho khách hàng.
Loyalty membership. Woo! Yeah. Anybody here have VIN ID? No, the students, man. Anybody here have Starbucks app? No, they're too poor. They cannot afford Starbucks. How about Highland Coffee? You you can collect points. When you collect points, what happens? So you collect the points and then you want to go back because you want to get your free coffee. So when we say e-commerce, this is what we're talking about. How to build a great loyalty program, how to build a great membership program, how to make customers collect points so they always come back to you. To do that well, you need technology. You need software that people can register. We can count the membership points that they have. They can redeem the membership points. I can talk for the next 3 hours. I just give you 3 ideas today. But there are so many more. And that is what you're going to learn in the next 8, 10, 5, 6 sessions from our kick-ass, training team. So let me introduce Mr. Nhằm.
Rồi bây giờ tôi sẽ...
Miss Chi.
Rồi, chị Chi.
And Miss Lee.
Và chị Ly.
And over the next 2 weeks, they're going to teach you everything, all the strategies you can use to help your business or your customer's business, anybody, any business to succeed. The businesses that adopt e-commerce are the ones that are going to succeed, dominate in their industry. The businesses that export and use e-commerce, they're the ones that are going to dominate the world for Vietnam. I wish I can go back to your age. If there's a magic pill I can swallow and I go back to your age, the world is my oyster. What that means is that the world is in your hands. You're the future of Vietnam. If we get this e-commerce thing right, collective future is so very bright. Thank you very much.